Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair Microsoft Arc mouse with your iPhone. And to do this, first thing is to make sure that you've placed batteries inside the mouse, just like that. Now bend the back of the mouse downwards to power it on. And the next thing is to enter Bluetooth settings on the iPhone. You can do that through the settings or notification bar like I just did. And here in the devices our mouse should show up. If it's not visible, then you might need to enter pairing mode and simply click and hold this button until a blue LED lamp starts flashing rapidly. Now let go, click on your mouse, select pair, and now the mouse is connected. You can wait till the cursor show up and it should be working fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.